24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Tell the class that in order to stay healthy, food plays a very important role. Ask them about the food items they eat in their routine. Tell them that all these items make our bodies strong and healthy. Now show the picture of a quail and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know where it lives? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a quail. It is white or any color. Its name is Quail and it's a bird. Ask the children if they know that a quail lays eggs. You may get mixed responses. Now, show to the class a picture of a quill and frame the questions like you have asked about the quail. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter Q and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter Q, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the capital letter Q with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with Q and the sound is Qu. I see a quill of a quail, Qu for quail, a quill of a quail. I see a quill of a quail, that's what begins with Q. Qu.
Write the letter Q on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter Q and it says Qua. Say the sound of the letter Q. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. Qua, quail. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter Q activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter Q on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a full circle. Now cross it on the right side. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter Q with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter Q in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize Q. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter Q can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.